Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally, okay? Past life relationship, you have known each other before. Religious factors, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Look at that bottom of the deck, engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Okay. So, Lip. Now, I feel like there's someone here that you either, I don't feel like you're really dealing with this person. Might be like an off and on again type of situation, but this person's stubborn, okay? And they like to have things done their way. Now, the thing is, you have a past life connection with this person. And I feel like they're recognizing it. Like this person, it could have been like a difference in like tradition, different beliefs. Maybe you're more spiritual than the other person, or it could go vice versa. But this person, I feel like they're definitely going through a huge shift, a huge awakening in their life right now. And this person has been thinking of, ways, because I feel like they want to marry you. This person wants to commit to you. So, yeah, I just saw the Page of Cups as an offer. So, yeah, let's jump in. Let's see. So you definitely have some type of connection with this person. So let's see. Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the King of Swords. So remember I told you that somebody's very blunt, right? That's basically the King of Swords. This person is very direct, no nonsense. So if this person wants to, have this conversation with you, or they've been, pushing it off, I feel like this person's going to rush in. They're going to be very direct. They're going to be very blunt. The communication, you might look at them like, who the hell are you talking to? But they have a hard time opening up, okay? So they're going to come in like, hey, I need to talk to you. Please just listen to me, blah, 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 blah. For others of you, I'm still feeling like this person's going to do that. But in the same breath, this person is afraid that you're going to cut them off, because of the nonsense that they put you through. See? I told you they're afraid that you're not going to take their offer because they broke your heart. So there could have been some type of third-party situation that took place. And I told you, this person has a hard time opening up and talking to you. I told you. That's why I'm picking up that they're going to be very blunt. They're going to be very direct. But see, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But they're saying that this person, they didn't balance things out. And the way the Seven of Pentacles just came out is basically letting me know, like, they had you waiting around and, they're frustrated. See, because the decision that they made is, okay, I want to put in the work with Leo or a cross-watcher. They want to put in the work. But see, right now, there could be a huge focus on money because they're in some type of codependent situation. Yeah, that they're trying to get out of. Could be dealing with a Taurus. So this person could be in some type of commitment. They could be committed to, a situation or helping someone out. They could be married. It could be anything, a business dealing. See, it's like you're not positive about this person and they're well aware of it, For some of you, there could be a mother figure, that's interfering, and this is why they can't move forward with you just yet. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Two of Swords tried to jump out, which is letting me know they're stuck. Right now they're trying to figure out, okay, what to do. Oh, no, that's a lot of jumping. Okay, but there's the Two of Cups. They want a relationship with you. This person definitely wants to be with you. See, I told you, they don't want you to cut them off, but see how that landed right there by the King of Swords? So, this person's afraid that maybe you moved on. Or you're going to move on, and they're not happy about it. This person's not happy about their financial situation either, because right now it's like they're having a hard time. Why? Could be dealing with a Gemini. But this person, I'm hearing family. That's what I'm like, wait a minute. Clarify the Lovers. Yeah, see, they're having to let go. If it is some type of family situation or family was interfering, this person is needing to let go of that in order to have this connection with you. This person definitely loves you. They want to be with you. But see, they got a decision to make. They want this new opportunity with you, but they know that they were being, very immature and very childish towards you in the past. And this is why they're having a hard time, because they're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. But I'm seeing that right now, yes, they want things to improve with you, but they could be just focusing on their money right now. See? Yeah, there's the King of Pentacles. This person is definitely focusing on their finances, and I feel like they're trying to get that together. But when it comes to you, I feel like this person, definitely they're holding on to hope. They want to be with you. They want to give you the stable offer. You could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I'm seeing that they're very confident. And see, they're coming out of being frustrated because, look, I told you, they want to be with you. This person definitely wants to move forward with you. This person learned a lesson. They're ready to come towards you. Listen. Yep, because they're listening to their intuition. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here. There's the Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, this person definitely wants to give you an offer. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. But they're not talking to you. Maybe because they're having to give to someone else. Yep. Okay. Now, I will say this. This person feels like, again, they want to give you this offer, but they feel like you're going to reject them. And this is why they're stuck trying to make a decision. This person definitely doesn't want you to turn them down. What just jumped out? See, I told you, they're going through a transformation. Yep, they're going through a tower moment, and whatever's going on, it's karma. It's like they're making changes. See? Because they want this new beginning with you. Leo. They want this new beginning with you, but it's like they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Yep, look at that. They want a future with you, but they can't come towards you because it could be a family situation that they're needing to take care of first. This is why they're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning. See, I told you, it's like they're going through a tower moment with family or some type of home situation. This could also be them realizing, what they're supposed to have with you. See, look at that. 11, 11, 11. They messed up with you. They didn't put in the work, and now it's like they want this new beginning because they don't want you to walk away. But at the end of the day, they're isolating themselves because they're going through a tower moment right now. This person's definitely going through an awakening. See? Oh, look at that. They're realizing the truth about a past life connection. Ooh, Leo. See what I'm saying? Starting to feel real twin flame-ish. Okay? But they're back and forth because 1 minute they're feeling like you're done with them for good. But the next minute they're like, okay, maybe he or she wants to hear me out. But at the end of the day, your guard is up. They're afraid. I think this person's intimidated by you. Another queen just tried to jump out. You see what I'm saying? There's someone else still here. There is someone else still in the picture. And this is the problem. And see, they're wanting things to improve with you. And so they know they got to move fast. They're going to have to move fast to come back. Yep. They want to move forward with you, and they don't want to look back at what took place in the past because the seeds that they planted with you, Leo, they want them to grow. But in order for that to happen, they're going to have to tell you the truth. Maybe for some of them with justice reversed and the way the Five of Cups came out, this could be them trying to get out of a contract, a legal situation, or something here, because I'm seeing a loss of money. So they definitely, took some type of loss. For others of you, it's like they're sad. But even though, yes, they're trying to manifest you, they're trying to stay positive, they can't take this leap just yet. Somebody could have a child with someone else. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I'm seeing father figure. Somebody's a parent, and this could be the legal situation or some type of contract, court. It could be anything like that pertaining to a child, or they took on this fatherly role. Or let's just say if they're not a father, it's just like, okay, they're the person. They're like the official person. They take care of, someone and or other people because I'm seeing family. And this is why they're worried about their money right now. Let's see. They're coming out of being frustrated. They're coming out of their head. Yes, they want stability with you, but they have to get out of this other situation first. That's why I told you they're still going through some type of tower. Told you. Look at that. They're going to remove themselves out of a third-party situation, and they're going to do it fast. They're going to get out. I don't like where the devil and the the magician is. So I will just throw it out there, okay? For some of you guys, there could have been spell work, black magic, something along those lines that could have been involved. And this could be why this person basically couldn't come towards you, because somebody was doing things behind the scenes. But I do feel like this person is afraid, you know, of what you're going to say or what you're going to do. Yeah, see, they left you out in the cold. Okay. Whoever I'm picking up on, I'm going to be honest, yeah, I do feel like there was some type of spell work and magic involved. That's why they left you out in the cold. And now it's like they're realizing, like, oh my God, you know, I did this. I'm telling you, they're awakening. They're paying attention now. So I'm seeing them coming out of being frustrated. But yeah, they want to heal things with you. That's the fear. They stabbed you in the back too many times. They hurt you. You're very intuitive, you know, and I feel like you could have said some things to them, and now it's like they have egg all over their face because now they don't know what to do. They don't know how to fix it. Yeah, this person was very inconsistent, running in and out of your life, possibly even being a player, and that's why they're afraid you don't want to build with them anymore. See, they can't sleep. I'm telling you, this person is now realizing the connection that they have with you. And see, they want to rush back in because they want a victory with you. See, they're now listening to their intuition. But the thing is, this person's dragging their feet. So yes, even though they want to turn things around with you, they're still feeling stuck because they don't have a peace of mind about their money. This person is still in some type of situation. So I am seeing they're going to get out of it, but they haven't completely gotten out of this situation just yet. Okay. Oh, Leo. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the 4 swords. So, it's like you guys are still a little frustrated by this person. Yeah, and you're starting to feel like, you know what, I'm not going to build with them. And I just have to start focusing on myself, or keep focusing on myself, because that's, you know, where the balance is coming in for you. But I see, yeah, there's some information or some type of news coming in for you fast. And yeah, I feel like you were going through a lesson with this person as well, but this requires you to really think about what it is that you want when, you know, either this person comes rushing in or you receive some type of information. So let's see. Look at that. I see you guys being very confident, you know, in the decision that you made. Ooh, you're going to be taking a leap. And I see you walking away from this person. Yep, that's the decision you made. You're like, I don't see things improving with them. Look at that. You ended a cycle. You're completing a cycle. You're like, no. I told you, it's like you were going through a lesson. I don't see things improving. I'm putting my foot down. This is a no. See? I don't want a new opportunity with them. But see, the way the Empress just came out, this back and forth energy, they're saying that there can be a new beginning here. But you're starting to feel like, I don't even know if I want it. Yeah, because see, this person, it's like they're still in this codependent situation. It's like they're in this codependent situation. They still have these codependent behaviors. I don't know if I can trust them. See, there's your card. I don't have the strength to deal with them anymore. See, I don't see myself having a victory with them. Damn. I don't see myself having a family with them. I don't want their little stinking offer. And that's you speaking the truth. Oh, Leo, y'all not playing. Y'all are not playing. See, yeah, y'all are healing. This person caused you a lot of hurt and a lot of pain, and you're tired. You're like, no. Why is the King of Pentacles here? Ooh, Queen of Wands. Okay, hold on. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.